What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing a State Bicycle Company 4130 geared road bike. Now, I purchased this bike off their website. This is my very first road bike, and I purchased it because I needed a new form of exercise because all the gyms are closed. This bike is an entry-level road bike costing around $550. Recently, they raised the prices to $570. It comes in a box and assembled by a bike shop or by hand. Now, I've had this bike for a few months now, and I've enjoyed this bike. I've taken it on about 20 to 30 mile rides, and I've used it also for commuting to work sometimes. And I have to say, it's a pretty good road bike to start out on. It is not the lightest road bike. I weighed this on my bathroom scale, and it weighs about 25 pounds. Now, what appealed to me initially is the fact that this bike is relatively cheap and that it looks aesthetically pleasing. There are many expensive road bikes out there, so $550 is a pretty good price. The frame is 4130 chromoly steel. There is a shifter on the down tube of the bike. I have to say, it takes a while to get used to taking your hands off the handlebars and shifting. Definitely manageable though. It has aluminum drop bar handlebars. It has rim brakes. It has 2 water bottle cages. I've installed a hand pump. The saddle is synthetic material. The wheels and tires are 700 by 28C. The chain ring is 44 tooth. It has 8 speeds, 11 to 28 tooth in the back, a sunrace derailleur. I've installed Shimano SPD SL clipless pedals, and I have to say that those are very much worth it. Very efficient in your pedaling. I highly recommend those. And I have to say, this is a good bike to start out on. Getting into the world of cycling, enjoying the outdoors. Let me guys know what you guys think of the bike. Any recommendations, let me know in the comments section. Please like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.